Hey, y'all, hold on. Here we go. Another wonderful year. Hopefully. We'll know in a minute. Y'all ready to get this started? All right. When this song kicks in, I want you to nail those fours. You ready? One, two, three, four. Hit it. Hit it. There you go. 3, 4. Give me another 3. Another 3. There we go. Another 3. Yeah, you just steadily light one. As soon as it clears, light it. Go, 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 go.
Keep going.
Yeah, just go to the next one. As soon as it goes up, hit a 4. Hit a 4. Hit a 4. Hit a 4. Hit a 4.
Keep going.
Yeah, hit another 4 up there. There you go. Hit a 3. There you go. Burn faster, baby. Burn faster. Hit you another one. Make sure you lean back. Hit another one. There you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hit a 4. Hit a 3, hit a 3. Gotta keep moving. One at a time. There you go. Hit you another one. Wow. Hit another one. As soon as it comes out, you need to be right up on it. There you go. Hit a 4.
Come here over here.
Huh? Come on, come on.
I need to go.
Go, go, go. There you go. Just keep them up in the air. That's all you got to do. There you go. There you go. Keep them working. Nice and slow. There you go. Hit one, hit one, hit one, hit one, hit one. Yeah, there you go. Keep them working. Nice and slow. There we go. All right, hit a box. Hit a box. Hit one, hit one, hit one, hit one. I got it, I got it. All right, everybody stop. Stop. Y'all get ready. Low shells, y'all. There we go. Ugh. Stick it. There we go, guys. Watch out, we got low shells coming down. Low shells. Low shells. Hit another one, hit another one. There you go. Come on, 3s. Come on, 3s. Come on, 3s. Yeah. Hit another one, hit another one. There you go. Burn them up, burn them up. There you go, threes. Go to work. There you go. Hit a box. Box. Hit another one. Hit another one. Hit a three. Three, Sean. There you go. All right, go, go, go. Hold up, hold up. Hit it, hit it. That's right, go to work, threes. Get ready in the sand pit, Jen. There you go. There we go. Hit a little 4Z4. Oh, stick that. Careful, careful. Hot, hot now. There we go. Keep them working. Keep them working. Box, baby. Hit a three, guys. Hit a three, guys. That's right. Get ready, guys. Go. Well, careful, careful. That's right, go to work, go to work. Get ready on those 2.5s. There you go. What we got? That 2.5 of those two? Okay. Keep going, guys. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Hit another one, guys. We just got 2 left. Go hit that small one. Go hit that small one. Okay, she's hitting a small one, guys. Heads up, guys, they're low. Watch out. Don't step on anything. Go, go, go. Whoa, that's close. Oh, shit. Sorry about cursing. All right, hold up, hold up. Go, go, go. That was loud. Get ready on them 2.5, Jen. No, not yet. Hit another one. Go, 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 threes. Come on, threes. There we go. Come on, hit them again. No, I got. Oh, here. Hit that box. Stop, 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 stop. Hey, we're gonna run this out, trickle this one out soon as shit, watch for fires. Watch for fires. We're gonna trickle this out, then we're gonna pop the rest of them 3s at the same time with these 4s, then we're gonna nail that other 2.5. Let's go, light them up. Get ready, Jen. Keep going. There you go. Come on. Hit me with it, big boy. Come on. That's right. Come on. I got your time right here. There we go. We got it perfect, baby. We got it perfect. There you go. Burn. Take it. Get ready, Jen. No, not yet. Not yet. I got it. Hit the box, Jen. Hit the box, Jen. Okay. Oh, come on. 2 to 3.
Got it.
This is the red, white, and blue, guys. Hit that 3 over there. Hit that 3. All right, everybody get back. Hey, make sure you can see me on the finale. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go.
Here you go.
Thank you. Whew. Intense, baby. All right, everybody. Another year.